If you are tired of complicated trading strategies that never seem to work consistently, then listen up because this scalping strategy actually works every single day. Scalping is all about quick, precise trades that capitalize on small price movements, and the key to success here is simplicity and discipline. What I am about to share doesn't require fancy indicators or odds glued to the screen. Instead, it's focused on one clear setup that repeats almost every day in the market. First, this strategy works best on low spread pairs like OR, USD and or GPP. USD and on 1 minute or 5-minute charts, so you are catching those small but steady moves. The core of the strategy is identifying short-term support and resistance level, waiting for confirmation candle that shows the price is about to bounce or break. You want to trade only when the market gives you a clear signal, never guessing or focusing trades. Here how it works. When price approaches a well-established support or resistance zone, you wait for a pin bar or engulfing candle that confirms rejection or breakout. This candle signal momentum in your trade direction. For example, if price hits support and form a bullish pin bar, that's your buy signal. Once you enter, set a tight stop loss just beyond the opposite side of the candle and aim for risk to reward a ratio of at least 1:1.5 because this is a scalping that target might only be 5 to 10 pips, but with multiple trades a day the profits add up fast. One reason this strategy works every day is because it aligns with natural market behavior. Price respects certain levels repeatedly due to trader psychology and order flow. Also because scalping focuses on small moves, it's less affected by big news events or market noise that can throw off longer term trades. That means you can scalp major news and avoid the volatility if you want. Discipline is crucial. You need to stick to your signals and avoid revenge trading on chasing losses. Also be sure to trade during peak liquidity hours like the London and the New York sessions when price action is most reliable. This ensures your entry and exit level are respected and speeds stay tight. Many traders overlook scalping because it seems fast paced or stressful, but with the right setup and mindset, it's one of the most consistent way to grow your account daily. This strategy is proof that trading doesn't need to be complicated or slow. You just need a clear plan, patience and a way of manage risk. If you want to see the scalping strategy in action, I will be posting live trade examples and step-by-step tutorials. So hit subscribe and turn on notifications.